Hi guys, my name is Hyemi, and today we'll be going over Wildlife second grade worksheet lesson number 30. Okay, so reaching lesson number 30, we are going to learn about finding the missing factor. This is all about multiplication, so by now, you guys should start having the multiplication table memorized. So, hoping that you guys have it memorized. If you look at the example over here, use multiplications to find the missing factor. So for example, 3 is the answer to this because 2 times what equals 6? 2 times 3 equals 6. And how multiplication works, if it's 2 times 6 and 2 times 3, then there are 2 groups of 3. So basically, you will add 3 2 times. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Or you can do 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? Which is also 6. So you have to find the missing factor to fill in the blank. So this is all about memorization. So you guys must have the multiplication up to 12 all memorized. So what times 2 equals 8? You would look for your factors. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. So that's how you look for the missing factor. 4 times 2, same thing right here. Then it would just be 8, right? 10 equals 2 times what? Okay, if we know that 2 times 4 equals 8, and there's only 2 away, if you add 2, then that will be 2 times 5, right? So it would be 5 as a missing factor. 5 times what equals 15? You can use your knowledge right here. 2 times 5 equals 10, right? If that equals 10, let's say you add one more 5, that equals 15, right? 10 plus 5 equals 15. Then we know that it will be 5 times, not 2, but it will be 3, because you have one more 5. So the missing factor will be 3. But this all comes down to memorization, right? 6 times 5. You can look at the previous one. 5 times 3 equals 15. And then 6 is exactly double the 3, so you would just double 15 by adding it 2 times. Right? Then this will be 1, and the 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, so it will be 30, right? 20 equals 2 times what? So here, if we know that 2 times 5 equals 10, then 10 is exactly double, half of 20, so you would double the 5 by just adding it, which is 10. So therefore 10 times 2 equals 20. It's very simple. Let's try this last one. Blank times what equals 16? You should have this memorized, but 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. And the 4 times 4 equals 16. So there you have your answer. It all comes down to memorization. Okay, problem solving review. So determine whether to add or subtract. So number 1, how much money would you need to buy a toy robot and a Barbie? So 1 toy robot and 1 toy Barbie. So toy robot is 46 cents and Barbie is 78. So you're adding them, right? Because they said how much money, so total, right? So you'll do 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 would be 14. 4 plus 7 is 11. Plus 1 over here is 12. So you would need $1 and then what? 24 cents. Like that. You have 83 cents. You buy chocolate. How much money do you have left? Okay, left symbolizes subtraction usually. So if you have 83 to start with, and you buy something, then you're minus, right? They're taking away your money if you purchase something, right? So 83 cents, and then the one chocolate is 27, so minus 27 cents. 3 minus 7 you cannot do, so you would borrow from the 8, this would equal 7. 13 would now be 3 would now be 13. 13 minus 7 would be 6. 7 minus 2 would be 5. So your total answer would be 56 cents. How much money would you need to buy a toy truck and a plush? Okay, how much money would you need to buy something? You're going to add them together. So we have one of that. So it will be 56 cents plus 39 cents. 6 plus 9 would be 15. So you put the 10 over here. 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus this 10 right here would be 9. So final answer would be 95 cents. Lastly, how much money would you need to buy a squishy and a stress ball? Again, you are going to add one squishy and one stress ball. So 25 plus 17. 5 plus 7 is 12. Move the 10 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus right here, the 1 here would be 4. So your final answer would be 42 cents. Lastly, we are on to word problems. So if a cupcake is 39 cents and an apple is 23 cents, how much money would you need to buy a cupcake and an apple? So they're both singular, so we have one cupcake, one apple. So same thing like how we did in the previous page, we would just add them, right? Because they asked for how much. 9 plus 3 is 12. Move the 10 here. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus this 1 over here would be 6. So you will need 62 cents. You have 76 cents. You buy a bag of grapes that is 57. How much money do you have left? Okay, left symbolizes subtraction. So then you start off with 76 cents. You buy a bag of grape that is equivalent to 57 cents. Minus 57 from here. And so you borrow, because you cannot minus 6 minus 7. So you would do borrow 6. This will turn into 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 6 minus 5 is 1. So your total answer would be 19 cents.